So we're doing things the right way today. Oh yeah, bud. Let's get the meat on her. Our balance beads all weighed out. This is 2 ounces for the rear, 1 ounce for the front. Ew. We're giving her the treatment. Full wicks up in here. Damn. Fancy schmancy. Little bits of metal on there, but there's nothing in the filter. So we'll change the oil, and then when I change it again, when I do the clutch, we'll see if there's more metal on the end of that. That would probably be a pretty good indicator that something's not quite so right in there. So here's sort of the story on the tank. I was gonna get it vinyl wrapped a different green because the paint job I did was ruined by a bad final clear coat. So I sanded down the bad clear coats until they were smooth, which is about 2500 grit. And they tried to wrap it, but what was left of the clear coat kept peeling off whenever they tried to adjust the wrap. So I figured if I strip it and prime it and get it to a 2500 grit finish, then they can try again. But when I stripped it, I found about 8 pounds of Bondo covering the factory badge mounts right there. A bunch of little dents right on the bottom. There were 2 on the top and then 1 on the very top. And then this whole section right here was dented in about ½ an inch. So I pulled out the big dent and then decided that it wasn't worth Bondoing everything all over again. So I spent about 5 hours or so sanding and polishing the tank. And when I did a test fit, I found that I really liked the silver tank. And so I just left it there. And yeah, that's pretty much the full story.